Hey everyone, for this video, if you guys do not know and have not been following my channel for a while, I know some of you already pointed it out, but my birthday is coming up. I am a Christmas Eve baby and I'm super excited to finally be doing my nails for my birthday. I know you see a lot of my content with me physically doing my nails, but I pop them off right after each video. So these I actually get to create them and have them last. You know what I'm saying? A lot of my birthday nails in the past was more on the Christmassy snowflakes on them, and I don't know if I want to really go that route. I do have an idea of what I want to do for myself. So yeah, let's just jump right in and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna use the extra long Coffin non-C-curve tips on myself. Probably not gonna go that long, but I do want that shape. I'm also going to take out some of these metallic flakes. These are from Mia's Secret. They're so pretty. If I'm not mistaken, it's number 20, 22, and then 23. The next thing I'm also going to pull out are these pearlescent colors. If I'm not mistaken, I got these either from AliExpress or Savvyland had sent this over. I kind of want to say AliExpress a really long time ago. And with that, I'm gonna actually pull out Diamond Dust. I have not used this color yet. This is a hard gel glitter shimmer color, I should say. So it's really pretty. I haven't pulled it out, so yeah, we're gonna use that for this design. And with that, I am gonna go in with my crystal clear build gel, and we just gonna get to starting with these nails. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna start measuring out my nails just to have everything off to the side. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and start pushing back my cuticles. This is a cuticle pusher. I'm just gonna go in, push them back really fast, not too much, nothing too serious, just to expose more of that growth. This is my snake head drill bit. I'm using this at 6,000 RPM, and I'm just gonna go right around that cuticle section. This is going to kind of lift up that skin away from my nail plate, again exposing more of that new growth. Switching over to my 180 sanding band, I'm gonna go around the entire surface. This is to remove that shine and not so much roughen it up. It's honestly just to remove the shine from the nail plate so you don't kind of have any kind of grease or oils on it. I do have a little bit of gel on my nail plate, so I am being a little bit more rougher with my nails. Next, I'm going in with my ball cuticle bit, and I'm just going to go around that cuticle section, just trying to clean up the skin, making sure I don't have any kind of hangnails or nothing like that. Again, this is just going to give me a cleaner, smoother surface around my cuticle area. All of these bits as well are on my website at lgnpro.com, and I do have them in a kit, a bundle kit. Also, we're having a sale. Honestly, I don't even know when in this video. If it comes out before Christmas, the sale lands, the sale ends the 26th, I think that's right. So hopefully I can get this video out before then, and then you guys can get like extra, 20%. And if I'm not mistaken, the code is holiday. From here, I'm gonna go in with my dehydrator. This is going to dehydrate the nail plates and make sure I didn't miss any kind of oils. If there is any kind of oils on the nail plate, what this is gonna do is this is going to dissolve it and get it ready for any kind of gel application. And with that, you're just gonna let it air dry. So now that that's ready, I'm gonna take all of my tips out, set up my lamp. Now I'm gonna go in with the rubber base gel, and this is where I'm going to glue my tips on. Point it, hold it, a few seconds, it's gonna be stuck on. Now for the length, I don't think I want them this long. Maybe like here. So I am gonna cut them down. Yeah, I think that's a good length. I'm gonna take my 180 sanding band and just go over that free edge part, making sure that tip is blended in with the nail plate. And right now I'm using this at 5,000 RPM, and it's just a 1, 2, 3, nothing too serious. Honestly, the fact that I have to do both my hands, I kind of wanted to do as little steps as possible when it comes to like the actual like either nail art or whatever I'm putting in the nail. Doing both hands takes me so long. It's bad enough that when I do one hand, sometimes it takes me 3 hours. Even though some of my designs be like over the top, I really don't want to stay here for like 6 hours doing both my hands. So And I'm trying to be fast on top of this. So from here, we're going to go back in with the base gel, and I'm going to add that to the entire surface and then drag it down. When it comes to the actual nail plate itself, I am kind of scraping it inside, really making sure it's going to stick to that nail plate. This is also going to make sure that you're not going to get any kind of lifting. I'm gonna go straight in with the Diamond Dust. This is a hard gel. So again, I'm just gonna take a small amount. I'm going to brush this on. I wanna do a thin layer first and then just brush that right on. Oh, and this is such a pretty color. I'm just gonna do one really thin layer and then cure it. And also across all of the nails is going to be the same design. So it's not going to be different, or everything across is going to be the same exact design. But again, once I have all of the nails covered in this Diamond Dust, I'm gonna do a full cure for 60 seconds. You know, it's just so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna go in with my cleanser, nail cleanser, and just clean the surface. From here, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff over the surface. I wanna add the chrome powder on top, and I need to make sure that this is not going to separate from the top coat. Again, just gonna cleanse the surface. So I was gonna go in with the Bling It gel, but I decided just to go in with what I know works, which is the shiny top coat. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that to the entire surface. So now I can go in with the pearl powder. Y'all, look at how much of this I used. I'm just gonna straight up take my finger and just rub that in. From here, I'm gonna take some crystal clear builder gel, and I'm gonna get all of my little flakes out to have everything ready. First thing first, I'm gonna take some clear builder gel and add a layer. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Add a layer right on top, thin layer. That is such a pretty color. Start picking up this brush that I have. Is an old elf brush, so I'm legit just gonna pick up some and then just like kind of stick it on. And I'm doing it in like random places, nothing too serious. Like I said, I'm just covering the entire thing. It doesn't even matter where it is as long as it's on it. From there, I'm gonna cure that in place. So it is extremely cold in my house. So I do have this coaster warmer. I ended up getting this off of Amazon, and I got a couple comments asking where I got it. I do have an Amazon storefront where I link all of the products that I've purchased from there, whether it's my lighting setup, camera setup, like this right here, the coaster warmer that I warm up my builder gel on. All I do is put it here and it warms it up and it makes it a thinner viscosity. All of those kind of knick-knack stuff, all of that is on the Amazon storefront, which I have it linked below. But yeah, so all I'm gonna do now is just start encapsulating these nails. So pretty. Love it. From here, I'm gonna go in, cleanse the surface, really removing that sticky layer. And then we're gonna go into filing. So I'm gonna go back in with the 180 grit nail file, and I'm just going to file the side walls first, and then the free edge. I'm gonna do that to all of them, and then we're gonna go in with the drill. Okay, so I'm gonna take out my dust collector. It's gonna be pretty loud. This is the fine taper drill bit that's in my bit kit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to start taking this and going around the cuticle area, like so. And then down the body. And really just trying to shape these up and make sure I have a smooth surface. Again, I'm gonna just go and buff this really quick. Again, we're going to cleanse it. From here, we're gonna go ahead, we are going to top coat it. Again, one more time, shining the white top coat. But again, once I do this, I'm gonna just cure it for a full 60 seconds. Now, this is what they are looking like. From here, we're gonna go with the pearl. This is number 1. Again, this is what the blue looks like, you know, just to compare. This is the bluish, it's like a bluish purple. And then we have this one, which looks like a goldy chrome powder color. Again, I'm just gonna take that and then rub that in. Oh, and that just looks so good. That looks so good. So from here, again, one more time, lastly, we're gonna go in with the shiny white top coat. And then again, we're gonna cure that for a full 60 seconds. This is just going to lock it in. Actually, I could have just skipped this step and went straight in with my Bling It gel. Damn, why did I think of that? It's all right.
Hello? Hi, is this Tristan? Yes, it is. Hi. Hi. So I don't know if the next call you. And I'm paying, he's crying. So I'm paying, he's crying. Because I know that we sent him this morning. I need to stay before lunch. Yeah. I'm not sure what they said. She told me by some lunch and I was like, what? Okay.
So it is actually day 2. As I was doing my nails yesterday, and when I finished top coating it and curing it, I ended up getting a phone call and I ended up having to just stop what I was doing and rush out. My kid's school actually called, so I had to go over there and pick up my son, one of the twins. He wasn't really feeling well, so that was the end of me doing my nails yesterday. But so after I did pick him up, he's actually much better now, so thank God. So he is back in school today, so yeah, that's why I really need to finish these nails. So we're just gonna jump right into it, and yeah, let's just bling these suckers out. So this is what they are looking like. I love how they look. So I really want to add some bling just to give it that extra oomph. I'm going to take out a lot of bling. I ended up choosing my AB Crystal Clear Bling It pack. I'm also going to take out the Tanzanite and Peridot. I'm using the Tanzanite side. Peridot? I always say that wrong. So I'm going to use the Tanzanite side. I think it's so pretty. That'll look really nice on top of these nails. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with the Aurora crystals. I actually took out these 3 sets last time when I did my nails for a video, and I really liked how the combination looked when I did the Sagittarius nail design. I really like the combination of crystals in those, so we're gonna use these as well. So all I have to do is, if I need each one, I have them like this laid out, and then I could just go ahead and grab and do what I need. So they're stacked up and ready to go. But I did decide just to go ahead, take out my silver kit. I did create this with the products that are on my website. All of like the little chains, cuticle bars, caviar beads are on my website separate, and then the case itself, put all the silver together. So this is my silver kit that I created. So yeah, you can go to LGenPro.com if you want to create something like this as well. Yeah, we're gonna do some caviar beads and call it a day. As always, I'm gonna go in with my Bling It No Wipe Rhinestone Gel. This is non-tacky after curing. So if you wanted to use this as top coat, you can. I'm just gonna go ahead and just cover the entire nail because I am not sure how far out I wanna go. I'm gonna just do one entire full coat of this. So as I'm placing them, I'm kind of just like, not really sure how I wanna place them. So I kind of just go off how I feel in the moment. And then I just move them around, and you know, that's why it's so easy for me having the Bling It gel. It's easy because I can move it around, and once it's stuck on is when I officially cure it, which is great. Do I wanna So this is what my nails are looking like. I really like how they came out. I think I'm gonna call them like ice cream nails. I don't know, they are just iced out. I love it. I am so happy that I chose to do all of the bling, like different colors, and kind of incorporating it together to make this set come together. So yeah, this is what they are looking like. I think they are gorgeous. I love how it looks. Look at the background. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how they came out. But this is the final results. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday, and I will see you guys the next one.